Life doesn't come with a manual, but it does come with lessons. Some learn the hard way, some learn too late, and some are still figuring it out. Hi, I'm Frank Lloyd Mamaril, and welcome to Direct Talk, a space where we talk about life, work, dreams, failures, growth, and everything in between. No filters, no pretensions, just real conversations, real stories, and real lessons from one dreamer to another. If you're feeling stuck, tired, or just looking for a little clarity today, you're in the right place. Let's talk. Hindi lahat ng pagod may resulta, pero lahat ng resulta may pinagdadaan ng pagod. Tama naman, di ba? If you want results, hindi naman tatanungin kung ilang pagod ang pinagdaanan mo. Ang nakikita lang nila ay resulta. Pero syempre, lahat ng resulta na yan may pinagdaan ng pagod. At pag naramdaman mo yung pagod na yon at nakita mo ang magandang resulta, mas fulfilling siya. Diba? Consistency beats motivation. Kahit tinatamad ka, pumasok ka pa din. Diba? Parang dapat maging consistent ka. Hindi siya nagdadaan sa isa, 2 beses, 3 beses, 1 buwan, 1 taon. Minsan, ang consistency is about knowing what you really want and then do it over and over again. Minsan nakakapagod na. Pero that's the way it is eh. Yung paulit-ulit mong ginagawa, lalo mong naiintindihan bakit mo siya ginagawa. Kung gusto mo ng freedom bukas, kailangan mo mag-sacrifice ngayon. Tama din, di ba? Kung gusto mong magkaroon ka ng freedom, edi paghandaan mo siya. Yung paghahanda na yan, kailangan magsakripisyo ka. At yung sakripisyo na yan, ay magbubunga yan ng freedom na inaasam-asam mo. Just for example, we get insurance because in the future, kailangan mo ng something to look forward to. Kaya ka nag-i-insurance. Diba? Hindi ka naman kumukuha ng insurance dahil gusto mo siyang makamit ngayon. Ang insurance, para sa future. So always think of the future, not just today. Trabaho muna, validation mamaya. Maraming tao gusto trabaho ng trabaho and at the same time, gusto nila may validation sila agad. Instant baga. Pero may mga trabaho kasi na hindi mo agad makukuha yung validation. It will take months, years, even decades para mapansin ka. Gawin mo muna yung trabaho. Trabahuin mo muna. And then the validation will come after. Lalong-lalo na pag nakita nila yung value ng trabaho mo. Hindi lahat ng nawawala talo. Minsan, protection yan. Minsan may mga bagay-bagay tayo na gusto nating pakawalan. Or ayaw natin pakawalan. Ayaw natin pakawalan dahil akala natin yun pa rin ang tama para sa atin. Pero sometimes, kailangan silang mawala kasi pinoproteksyohan ka sa mga bagay na baka nakakasama na sa'yo. Isipin mo yun. Baka nga naman totoo. Minsan, hindi ka tinatalikuran ng tao. Inuuna lang nila ang sarili nila. Tama din, ano? Minsan, akala mo tinatalikuran ka ng mga taong importante sa'yo. Minsan pala, inuuna lang nila yung sarili nila para makapagbigay pa ng marami sa ibang tao. Kasi if you're okay, then you can give more to more people. Kung hindi ka marunong magpahinga, pipilitin ka ng katawan mo. Alam mo, tama yan. Minsan, kinugugol natin ang sarili natin sa trabaho na nakakalimutan natin magpahinga. Sabi nga nila, akala nila, pagkatapos ng pagod, dun ka magpapahinga. Ako ang natutunan ko, dapat kang magpahinga bago ka pa mapagod. Ang maturity, marunong pumili ng laban na papasukin. Being mature is about choosing your battles. Being mature is knowing when to talk and when to keep silent. And when it's your time to be silent, it doesn't mean that you're not fighting. It means you're choosing peace for yourself and for others. Hindi lahat ng tahimik mahina Minsan pagod lang. Iniisip mo minsan pag tahimik ang isang tao, akala mo mahina siya. Pero little did you know, nag-o-observe lang yan. Yung pagkatahimik ay hindi siya sign ng kahinaan. It's also a sign of strength. Quiet power ang tawag dyan. And sometimes, it's the greatest power that you can ever have. Kung kaya mong isipin, kaya mong trabahuin. Amen. If you can think of it, then you can do it. Minsan, inisip natin, imposible ang mga bagay-bagay. Pero pag ginawa mo na, doon mo maiisip na, oo nga no, kaya pala siya. And the only way na malalaman mo siya is if you try. Ayoko ng regrets Ako rin bilang tao, ayoko ng regrets. Sometimes, you just really have to try to find out. Pangarap ang magbibigay ng direksyon. Disiplina ang nagdadala sa iyo doon. Tama. Minsan ang mga tao gusto nilang mangarap. Tapos hindi nila alam paano nila abutin yun. Yung pangarap mo, dapat drive mo yan kung saan mo gustong papunta. Pero para makaabot ka doon, kailangan disiplinado ka. Kailangan meron kang lakas ng loob, meron kang disiplina, and consistency. I can't say that enough. Consistency, dahil doon ka dadalhin sa success na hinahanap mo. Hindi ka late, hindi ka early, nasa tamang oras ka ng kwento mo. Maraming tao na nagmamadali sa buhay. Minsan akala nila na uubusan na sila ng oras. Pero ang totoo, hindi ka late, hindi ka rin early, you're just in the right time. Everybody has their own pace. You just have to follow yours. Maghintay ka lang, o minsan, hanapin mo ang tamang panahon. Minsan, kailangan mong maniwala kahit ikaw lang ang naniniwala. Totoong-totoo yan. Minsan, kailangan mong maniwala sa sarili mo. Listen to your gut feel. Kung kaya mo, kaya mo. Don't doubt yourself. Kasi the moment that you doubt yourself is also the moment that you don't trust yourself. How the hell are you going to trust anybody else if you don't trust yourself? Diba? Sabi nga nila. So the first thing that you should be doing is basically trust yourself, and success will follow. Kung walang naniniwala sa'yo, gawin mo yung fuel, hindi sugat. Minsan iniisip mo, walang naniniwala sa'yo. Nega-nega mo. Minsan iniisip mo, nagiging sugat na siya. Diba? Hindi mo yun naiisip na yung sugat na yun is nagiging bubog na yun para sa'yo. Imbis, gawin mo yung fuel. Gawin mo yung parang gasolina para abutin pa yung gusto mong maabot. Make it an inspiration. All of those sugat, all of those heartbreaks and everything, keep them all. Kasi darating ang araw, babalikan mo na lang sila. Tatawanan mo na lang ang mga problema mong yun dahil naabot mo na yung gusto mo. And then, pay it forward. Before we end, I just want to remind you of this, You don't have everything figured out. And we all know that. You just have to keep showing up. Life is not a race. It's a journey. And every step, even the messy ones, still count. Today's conversation gave you something to think about, something to feel, or something to hold on to. Then this episode did its job. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing your time. And thank you for choosing growth. One conversation at a time. This has been Direct Talk. Until the next time. Keep moving, keep dreaming, and keep believing.